It's no secret that where I live is a secret. It's so secret, McDonald's doesn't even know this place exists. Believe it or not, there is a place in America where it's too far to drive to a McDonald's to be able to get the food back to your house and have it remotely edible. That is actually possible, and I know because I live there. It's wonderful. It's probably good for a fat guy to not have any fast food places around because it's not the best food for you. But when you get a hankering, what are you going to do? You're going to make it yourself. And that's what we're going to do today. I'm making a Big Mac, and I'm making it myself, and I'm going to show you how. All right, so the Big Mac, we all know it. There was a song about it, about pickles, onion, sauce, cheese, 2 patties. I don't sing. I don't want to, get the copyright strike because, the YouTube's it's going to come down on anybody trying to steal someone's own intellectual property, like a stupid burger song from the 1970s. So, anyways, we got 2 patties, 3 buns, onions, tomato. There's no tomato in this. There's shredded lettuce, pickles, and then special sauce. Let's be honest, it's Thousand Island. You can make your own, or you can use Thousand Island, or you could make your own, or you could just use Thousand Island. Anyways, there's one secret to this. If you want this thing to taste like a Big Mac, do not put it on the grill. It will not work. You want to know what the secret is? Hold on 1 second. This is actually the secret to making it taste like a Big Mac. This was my grandmother's, because God knows how long it's been there. Nobody uses that really terribly much anymore, but it used to be popular back when they were inventing things like the Big Mac, and that seasoned salt thing just became a thing. So this is the secret to making this taste good. You have to fry the burger, and you have to put this on the patty, and you cook that up. Basically, that's your secret. There you go. Thanks for joining me today. Just kidding. I'm gonna actually make the burger. Okay, got meat here. We're gonna make patties, and I'm not making the little itty bitty little patties. Come on, man. Look at me. No, I'd make the Big Mac the way they should have made the Big Mac. Remember when they made that Big Mac XL and they used the 1/4 pounder patties? Bingo. Okay, this is a pound of meat. We're gonna get 4 patties out of this. So if you divide it up like this, basically, close enough for government work, right? There you go. That fell off of that one. I'll say it fell off of that one. Doesn't matter. It's easy peasy. I'm using the ring. They have a giant smashing machine. This will go into a forming thing, big machine, and it pops them out like crazy. I don't have one of those, so I'm gonna get a little chefy and use the ring. I like the ring. The ring is good. The ring is your friend. Ring molds are great for burgers. You can smash a burger all day long if you want to. That's fine. Everybody has their preference. That is my preference. Look at how beautiful that is. See, the thing is, it tastes amazing. You don't just do that and do that. You have to actually crumble it up, because the point of the ring is that it lets you have these wonderful strings like this of meat. And this is actually pretty good meat. The butcher did a good job. Sometimes you get meat from the grocery store and it's just this little mess of God knows what. This actually looks pretty good. I'm impressed. Okay, I'm not over smashing this. Don't over smash. Bingo. Okay, keep going until you run out of meat. You don't need to watch all this, so see you in a minute. Okay, so now that we have our 4 patties done here, what we are going to do is wash our hands real fast. So I'm gonna do that, be right back. Edit button. Okay, I'm back. All right, this, you don't put a ton of it on. Don't go crazy, but you want a little layer on there, and you want it evenly dispersed because you want every bite to be wonderful. Okay, these are gonna go in. I'm gonna flop them down this side and then season them when they get in the pan. Because trying to move these right now, if you overwork them at this point, you're gonna end up with problems. So we're gonna transfer these to a hot cast iron skillet, frying pan over here, and we are going to cook these things up like if we had a flat top like they use at McDonald's. Fancy, huh? Fancy. And then we're gonna assemble it and we're gonna eat it. Well, I'm gonna eat it. You're gonna eat it if you make one. Otherwise, I can't help you. So we're gonna make a couple Big Macs. Let's get started with the cooking. All right, so let's start cooking the meat. This is not a giant cast iron frying pan, but it's just big enough to cook 2 patties in, if you don't mind them touching. You know, it's like you're not gonna get cooties or anything, it'll be fine. So put your meat in there. This is a smoking hot pan. You want it really, really hot. And remember, we gotta season this side because we only seasoned the one side before. So that goes down. Now this is just gonna sit and cook. And there's no reason for me to say anything, so enjoy your moment of sadness. Alright, so maybe there's a reason to say something. Alright, you're using cast iron, use something steel. Don't use something silicone or nylon or anything like this as a turner, as a spatula. Use steel. That way you don't screw up the crust, because this will not pull up the crust on the bottom of the pan. Plus, it's a little awkward. Steel tools can be used, but you know, we get so used to using non-stick stuff, you don't even think about grabbing. Something's metal. There, now you thought about it. We're toasting our buns because toasted buns are always better. Put a little butter on your buns, throw them in there. You're using 2 bottoms, 1 top. That leaves 1 extra top. I don't know what to do with the extra top. If you have a great idea, leave it in the comments. Love to know what to do with the extra top. No, I'm not putting it there. Don't leave me that comment. As you can see, the pan is just big enough to be able to get 3 of these in here. Remember what I said about using steel tools, something metal instead of this? Well, here's a prime example of why. Alright, nylon or silicone sucks for cast iron, especially with these high walls. Get something that you can actually get under there. Hey, there you go, a fish spatula was on top. Grab that plus another stainless steel turner here. Hey, this seems to work a lot better. Wow, okay, well, consider that your one thing you're gonna learn in this. If you're using cast iron, use a metal spatula. All right, so now everything's cooked. All we gotta do is assemble. This isn't too hard because they pay teenagers minimum wage to do this. I think we can figure it out. All right, so this has sauce on the bottom bun. Yes, I made my own sauce and then I bottled it in this bottle here just to make it look like it's store-bought, but I swear, I make this myself. Thousand Island's Thousand Island. If you want to make your own, put Worcestershire in it. It makes it really, really good. Okay, that's just a little tip. Otherwise, use Thousand Island. All right, there, we're smeared. Okay, now what do you put in here? Onions. It's got onions all over it. These are diced up really small, just a yellow onion or white onion, whatever you want. Lettuce, shredded. Has to be shredded lettuce because that's just the way it is. That's the way it's done. Pickles. Now they only put pickles like on one side, usually. Sometimes you get one kid that doesn't know what he's doing, he put pickles on both sides. You're like, damn, that's a really good Big Mac. So I put pickles on both sides. There you go. All right, the cheese, Americano Cheezo. Yes, just the fancy stuff. Now, you only get one slice of cheese in this, which is also very strange. Most people seem to think it's a lot. It goes on top of the pickles. Weird. Okay, burger patties. Okay, this goes down and melts the cheese. This goes down here like this and doesn't get any cheese. Again, weird. There you go with that. And there you go. That's a Big Mac. That's a really, really Big Mac. And that's an extra pickle. I love pickles. All right. There you go. That's a Big Mac. Made it home in like 10 minutes. You should do this. Tastes better. Trust me, it tastes way, way, way better than theirs. It's fast, it's delicious, it's amazing. You impress the hell out of your friends. And do that retro, fast food night thing, where it's somehow kitschy cool to eat crappy food. I don't know what you people do. Don't care. As long as you're wearing pants, it's all that matters. There you go. Thanks for joining me. I'm gonna eat this thing, and I'll see you on the next one. If you like and subscribe and again, the notification bell, you'll know when that one comes out. Otherwise, you might miss it, and that would be a shame, because I promise you, there will be a lot more videos, and they'll probably be a little fancier than a Big Mac copy, but sometimes you just really want a Big Mac copy, and this is that day. So thanks for joining me. See you on the next one. Bye.